Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in my life. Now today, like usual, I'll be bringing you around my home, sharing everything that I did, showing my yummy food, my cute baby. Today was pretty exciting, by the way, because my friend actually has a car detailing business and they came over and deep cleaned our truck. And seriously, it was so satisfying to watch because our truck was disgusting. Also, it was my sister's birthday, so that was super exciting. And I made another step forward in lightening my hair. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So with all of that being said, let's hop right in. So like I mentioned, today was my sister's birthday. This, by the way, is her niece, Rainin. We met up for quote unquote breakfast at Five Daughters Bakery on this morning. Logan's looking sleepy, by the way, because he was actually already ready for his next nap by this point. Also, I had to show you Shayna's purse because it's so cute. She got it at a thrift store recently and I love it. Five Daughters makes the most amazing cronuts. That's kind of one of the main things they're known for. And they also have specialty desserts, which is what Shayna got. She got like a paleo donut, I think. So if you ever have a chance to go to a Five Daughters, I highly recommend them. By the way, this was my roll out of bed look. Throwing on a hat, sunglasses, braiding your hair. The easy, quick mom look. I don't want to say that we've never washed our truck because I don't think that that is true, but like it might be true. So this was a very exciting day for us because our friends, like I mentioned, own a car detailing service called Sharp Auto Detailing. I will have all of their information down below. It was so amazing because they literally just showed up at our house with everything that they needed and literally made our car look like a brand new car. In fact, I think that the truck might look better than when we bought it. As you can see, they got so detailed. It was so satisfying to see them completely transform the inside and the outside. Because my friend owns this company, I can tell you that the people that will show up to your house if you choose to book a service with them are going to be pleasant, lovely people. I trust them. Like I said, watching like the crumbs be sucked up. Oh, and even the sand. If you saw my vlog last year when we went to Michigan to visit my friend from YouTube, Mrs. Midwest, we went on the sand dunes. It was crazy. Anyways, we had never even like vacuumed out the sand from that trip. So this was great. Logan was real hyped to be watching this all unfold, by the way, clearly. Also, this blue striped top I think is my favorite piece of clothing he owns right now. That and his gray hoodie. Now, because they were there for a few hours, I stepped away. You'll kind of just see me go back and forth as they got everything all clean. But I had to take a rainbow break because rainbows. So in the afternoon, early evening, I pre-fill up my bath that I'm going to take with Logan with like extra hot water so that I have like a couple hours window to where I could actually get in and it's ready and full for when we want to take our bath. Now, while the bath was filling up, I went and I did my workout. I bragged in previous videos that I've been really good about my working out. Actually though, since this video, I haven't worked out once because my body unfortunately had a pretty painful flare up. But looking back on this day when I was killing the workout game does make me excited for my hopefully coming soon workout. By the way, everyone that left me such nice, encouraging comments on Instagram when I shared about my like meltdown that I had this last weekend over my flare up, I just wanted to say thank you to you guys. I didn't expect so much love coming back from you guys, and I just appreciate it. I appreciate you. Dude, can I just give a shout out to our truck really quick? I never thought I would be a truck person. I love this truck. We got it a few years ago before we moved from California. Sometimes I think we'll have this truck our whole lives. I love it. I'm interrupting this video, or I guess not interrupting it. I'm making it better by dropping in some shots of my chubby baby, because I'm assuming by next summer he won't be chilling as often just in a diaper with no clothes. And now the weather's getting colder, so he has to start wearing clothes. Other fun things that I really do 7 times a day, but I'm only making you watch it once, is pumping. By the way, I finally uploaded my LV versus Spectra video, just talking to you guys about my experience using the LV and the Spectra, obviously. I went into detail about how my LV is able to be my full-time main pump. So if you want to check that out, I will try to remember to link that down below. I don't even know what this shot is or why I got it, but it's really cute. All right, is everyone ready for the after shot of our truck? Like, even if you didn't know how gross our truck was before, this is still just beautiful. But like I said, it was so bad before that this was extra impressive. So like I said, I will put the links for Sharp Auto Detailing down below. Tell them that I sent you. If you decide to have them come to your house, they currently offer cleanings in Tennessee and Utah, by the way. Thanks again, guys. You did an incredible job. I've said that 12 times, but it's true. So I was really tired on this night, so I decided to go for my old standby, and I had breakfast for dinner. I had avocado toast. Of course, it was on sourdough with goat cheese on top, and then I had some scrambled eggs with caramelized onion and fresh jalapeno on top, as well as oranges, and I took my vitamins. So my tower garden has kind of been out of commission for the last couple of months. I've been distracted and just life has been crazy. There's a lot of stuff we have going on behind the scenes. So today was the day I decided to finally plant for my new seedlings for my tower garden. If you don't know what a tower garden is, or you're new to my channel, it's basically indoor aeroponic gardening. So the plants literally grow up on a tower. I've grown some really good food on that tower garden, so I'm excited and hopeful for this upcoming next crop. By the way, we were watching a movie on mushrooms while I was planting these seeds. So once I had planted them in the cubes and I put the vermiculite on top, I made my way to the area in my office that's like my seed growing area, and I laid down my heat mat, and then I set up my lights. I like to keep my seeds on a heat mat until they sprout because I feel like it helps them germinate and sprout faster. But then once they do sprout, I remove the heat pad so they don't grow too fast and hopefully don't get too leggy. Dude, did I show you guys this? I feel like so many of you have followed my lemon tree journey for so long. Not only is my lemon still growing, but I have 40 flowers on this tree. So everybody pray for these flowers. Also, hi ladies, please get off my plants. we learned our lesson for next year. These chickens cannot be allowed to roam in our plants or they eat them and tear them up. This may seem obvious, but we actually thought they were just going to be good pest control. Like, oh, let's let them roam and they'll get rid of, the pests that would eat our plants. That's not true. They themselves have turned into pests that eat our plants. Okay, so I guess this was the next day, or that avocado toast was for lunch. I don't remember. But I had this Cajun salmon pasta that I had made back in February. So a few weeks after Logan was born, and we decided to whip this up for dinner. Every time I cook something from my freezer stash, I'm always thanking my past self. So let me just tell you, consider freezer cooking if you haven't already, especially if you're a mom or about to be a mom. Okay, so now I think this was the next day. I was craving hot dogs and I realized that's really weird. I haven't bought hot dogs in years. I actually was specifically craving Costco hot dogs and I got these instead in like an attempt to be healthier. I'm not gonna lie, it didn't fully hit the spot, but I'm wrapping these up and putting them in the freezer to still eat later at another point. All right, so fun fact, if you didn't know this, I am kind of going blonde in my 30s, but I say in my 30s because I'm doing it super slow-mo because I don't want to ruin my hair. I've already been there, done that. If you watched my Nikki Goes Blonde series, then you already know. But this is my stylist, Sunny, that I go to here in Nashville. Technically, she's outside of Nashville, about 30 minutes. But yeah, she's who I go to. She's amazing. Every time I leave her place, I'm like, man, she gave me exactly what I wanted. And specifically what I've been wanting is slow-mo lightening my hair, not creating any damage, keeping the length if possible, all of that. She's great. She also has some of the most beautiful hair on her head that I've ever seen. And I highly suggest you check Sunny out on Instagram because she does hair tutorials and she's so talented. I can't recommend her enough. Today, she focused a lot of the foils on the underneath part of my hair. Each time I go in, she kind of picks where we're going to make progress. She felt like this time we really needed to bring some lightening underneath. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you missed my last video, it was a what I eat in a day. And the video before that was my LV versus Spectra video. If you're still hearing my voice, check the info box for today's semi-secret giveaway. Also, if you're having a hard time in life, I'm reaching through the computer right now and giving you an e-hug. In all seriousness though, I am praying for you guys. I appreciate you all and I will hopefully see you back here soon with another new video. All right, bye guys.